The Whispering Forest. In the year 1897, an 18-year-old girl named Eliza lived in a small village near a vast rainforest in South America. She helped her father gather medicinal herbs from the forest. The villagers called it the Whispering Forest because they believed that anyone who entered it would eventually encounter a mysterious secret. One morning, Eliza and her father ventured deep into the forest as they often did. The day seemed normal until dark clouds suddenly covered the sky. Strong winds began to shake the trees, and strange sounds echoed through the jungle. "We should head back," her father said. Just then, Eliza heard the faint sound of a child crying somewhere in the distance. "Did you hear that?" she asked. Her father nodded. "Yes, but don't follow it." Yet the sound seemed to pull her forward. Curious and concerned, she walked toward it. Within minutes, she realized she had lost sight of her father. Now she was alone. The forest felt darker than before. The air was heavy, and strange whispers drifted between the trees. "Eliza!" She spun around. No one was there. Trying to stay calm, she continued walking until she noticed an ancient stone temple hidden beneath vines and moss. Its massive door stood slightly open. Fear battled curiosity, but curiosity won. She stepped inside. At the center of the temple rested a glowing blue crystal. The moment Eliza touched it, a bright light filled the room, and the figure of an elderly woman appeared before her. "Do not be afraid," the woman said gently. "Who are you?" Eliza asked, trembling. "I am the guardian of this forest. For many years, I have waited for someone worthy enough to protect its secret." The guardian explained that a powerful force slept beneath the forest. If it fell into the wrong hands, it could bring destruction to the entire region. Suddenly, the temple began to shake. Footsteps echoed from outside. A group of treasure hunters had found the temple. Their leader, Victor, had spent years searching for the legendary power hidden within the forest. At last, Victor shouted, "The treasure is mine." He rushed toward the crystal. As soon as he reached for it, blue energy burst through the temple walls. The guardian turned toward Eliza. "The choice is yours." Eliza's heart pounded. She was terrified, but she knew she had to act. She placed both hands on the crystal. Instantly, she felt connected to every tree, every root, every animal, and every stream in the forest. She understood that the power was not meant for domination or wealth, it existed to protect life itself. Closing her eyes, she focused on a single wish. Protect the forest. A brilliant light exploded from the crystal. When the light faded, Victor and his companions had been thrown outside the temple. The ground trembled as the ancient structure slowly sank beneath the earth. The guardian smiled. "You have chosen wisely." Moments later, she vanished into the air. The forest grew quiet. For the first time, Eliza felt at peace. Then she heard a familiar voice. "Eliza." It was her father. She ran toward him and embraced him tightly. She tried to explain everything she had seen, but when they returned to the place where the temple had stood, there was nothing there except dense jungle. The temple had disappeared. Years passed. Eliza became the village's most respected forest protector. She never revealed the secret of the blue crystal to anyone. Yet on quiet nights, when the wind moved softly through the trees, she could still hear a faint whisper. "The forest is safe, because you chose courage." The end.